Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you what is Foodpanda app and how to use that. So let's get started. So basically Foodpanda app is for food delivery. So I will just open the Foodpanda at here as you can see. Okay, just continue. So you can give the access at here you can see. So here I will just give like New Delhi. Just confirm. You can change the location and you can do it. Okay. So by here you can just select the food delivery and you can do the food delivery what you want, and from here you can do a donation and other things too. So by this way you can just use a food delivery app to delivering a food near your location. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. If you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And lastly, thank you for watching.